Good morning. We're here today with Pegram Builders, and I am going to let these guys introduce themselves and tell us a little bit about ColorGuard and their installation. We are at a beautiful job site here in Asheville, North Carolina, Lincoln Aluminum Rail, and I am going to turn it over to Pegram Builders. So gentlemen, please.
Yeah. Hey, I'm Lee Pegram, one of the owners of Pegram Builders.
I'm Zeke Wyatt, the other owner of Pegram Builders.
And so this is a project here in Asheville that we got to complete, and we used a lot of ColorGuard on this project, and we've been using ColorGuard for many years, and the ease of installation and the look of it, our clients just rave about it, and so that is one of the reasons why we chose ColorGuard for this entire project.
Awesome.
Yeah,
Thank
just
you.
like Lee said, we have used a lot of ColorGuard. We love their products. Probably the best thing I like about it is they have one of the easiest systems to install. It's a great system, and even though their system is one of the easiest to install, they're continually working to make it even easier to install. So
Awesome.
They're not resting on that. They're just making better each day.
Could you share a little bit with us on some other products that you use in alongside ColorGuard? Do you do any screened-in port situations?
Yeah, so actually on this project was probably one of the best uses of that. We use screenies, and so ColorGuard comes out with a 6x6 aluminum post wrap, and it matches the railing perfectly. And so what we can do with that is actually tie in screenies to the aluminum post, and it makes for a finished look, so you don't have to wrap your post with some kind of other building products and then have to paint that and caulk that and everything. So it really ties in the railing to the screen and makes for a complete finished product.
Awesome. Gentlemen, thank you so much for using ColorGuard, and we wish you all the best and business successes. Thank you.
Thank you.